Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Marcus King on guitar. Marcus King's guitar style is a captivating blend of blues, soul, and rock, deeply rooted in the traditions of the South. He masterfully combines raw emotion with technical prowess, delivering powerful solos and soulful melodies. His playing is characterized by expressive bends, a wide, vocal-like vibrato, and a dynamic touch that shifts from subtle nuances to full-throttle intensity. To capture Marcus King's tone, start with a semi-hollow or solid-body guitar, like a Gibson ES335 or Les Paul. Pair it with a Fender-style tube amplifier, such as a Super Reverb, set for a warm, slightly breaking-up clean sound. For overdrive, a classic tube screamer or similar pedal will add that signature grit and sustain. Don't forget a wah pedal for those expressive lead lines and rhythmic accents. Marcus King's playing relies heavily on the minor pentatonic and blues scales. Focus on mastering these shapes and connecting them across the neck. Crucially, develop a strong, vocal-like vibrato and precise string bending, often bending up a full step or more. Practice dynamic control, using your pick attack to go from soft, clean notes to aggressive, overdriven phrases. Incorporate soulful phrasing and double stops to truly capture his essence. To truly integrate Marcus King's style, dedicate time to learning his songs and solos by ear. Pay close attention to his phrasing, rhythm, and note choices. Practice improvising over blues and soul backing tracks, applying the scales and techniques you've learned. Remember, the goal isn't just imitation, but understanding his approach to develop your own authentic voice. Consistent practice, even just 20 minutes a day, will yield significant results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.